The biggest thing keeping Jamaicans poor isn't money, it's mindset. Stop worshiping foreign things. Foreign food isn't better, it's marketed better. Foreign products aren't higher quality, they're more expensive. You've been taught expensive means good. It doesn't. Value what Jamaica has: your land, culture, people, resources. These have value. Stop seeing Jamaica as less than. Stop thinking you need to leave to succeed. Jamaica has what you need. Think abundance, not scarcity. Most Jamaicans operate from not enough. So you compete, hoard, and don't share. But Jamaica is abundant. There's enough land, resources, opportunity. The problem? Wealth is extracted, not circulated. If Jamaicans thought abundance, shared resources, supported each other, built together, the economy would change. Wealth isn't just money, it's access to food, shelter, community, and opportunity. Jamaica has it all of that. You just have to claim it. Change your mindset and change your reality.